welcome back to this video. Today I'm going to be getting started to deactivating and deleting your actual Instagram account. So if you're ready to take a permanent break from the gram, let's first of all deactivate versus delete. So what exactly does this mean? Before we hit the button, remember deactivating is only temporarily. If you want to go for deleting, it's totally forever. You won't be seeing your photos, followers, messages, everything wiped after 30 days. So if you're sure you want a permanent option, let's keep going. The first thing to do is to make sure where your account center. So you can do this into your phone or into an actual computer. To make this process much more faster, I'm actually into a computer to make this much easier. So just locate the three dots that appears here into the element that says more. Now I'm going to go for the element that says settings. When I click directly inside here, it will be showing me tons of elements that I can choose. Just make sure that you from here focused from the element that says account center. So here inside my account center, I wanted to go for the element that says personal details. You can see this as profiles and personal details. And then you wanted to make sure that you tapped into the element that says account ownership and control. So if I select this element, I should see this element that appears directly inside here. If you don't see this, what you can do is to focus directly into this new element that says managed accounts. I click directly into Instagram and I hit for managed. Once I am directly inside here, it will be showing me the element that says deactivation or deletion or memorialization. So when you select this element, it will be sending you something like this. Now, just in case that you don't have access to this element, you didn't get the chance to check out the manage accounts, you didn't see absolutely anything at all, you don't have to worry about that. You can open any tab. Since we already have an Instagram account signed in, just go directly into this URL, which is accountcenters.instagram.com/managed/deletion. When you click into enter, it will be sending you right away where we were before. So I'm going to close this for now because we already are inside here. And now that we are inside this element, choose the element that says deactivation or deletion. So clicked into deactivation or deletion, depending on what you're actually currently aiming for. So choose, for example, delete, and you go for continue. In order to continue, it will be asking you to enter your passcode one last time. So once you hit the final delete account, your profile will disappear instantly. So sometimes it will be asking you for a reason why you're moving on. You'll have to enter the passcode once more, but this is just for security reasons. Then the 30-day change of heart. If you suddenly regret your decision, you don't have to panic because you have 30 days to change your mind. So just look back into the application before that window closes and you can cancel the deletion. After those 30 days though, it's gone for good. So if you, let's say, delete your account today in the 13th of May, I want to make sure that before this date, before 10th of June, there's no regret here, just in case I wanted to make sure that everything works correctly. So there you have it, guys. You are officially off the hook. If this guide helped you, you cleared your digital plate, hit the like button, subscribe to Easy Tech Daily for more tech tips to make your life easier. If you're leaving Instagram for good or you're taking a break, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.